In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down how you can make money using AI in 2026. Hi guys, I'm Amrit and I'm talking about practical, sellable skills you can use to get clients, charge money and build income, even if you're starting from zero. And this is important because right now there are two types of people. One, using AI just as a toy, and number two, people using AI as a leverage. This video is about becoming the second one. In this video, I will take you through 7 specific ways in which people are making money with AI, and I will also tell you what skills are actually needed for each. And I will also tell you how much you can realistically charge for that. And towards the end, we will also discuss which one makes sense for you. But before starting, let me tell you one thing very clearly. There is no push button to get rich quickly. Okay, everything is gonna take time and everything is gonna be very hard. For example, getting client is the hardest part. And you will hear a lot of no's before you make your first dollar. And you will have to upskill yourself before you get paid. But there's a huge opportunity here, guys, because AI is a very evolving field. And if you're willing to learn, practice and stick with it longer than the most people do, you're gonna definitely make lots of money. So let us now start with the ways to make money using AI. Number 1, the website builder. Here is something most people don't realize. Thousands of local businesses are losing customers every single day. Not because they are bad at what they do, but because their online presence looks very dead. They have outdated websites, broken mobile layouts. Their pages make you wonder, are these people even still in business? Now, there's a key insight, guys. These business owners know it is a problem. They would have also got quotes from agencies for $5,000, $10,000 or $15,000. I myself personally, when I went to get my website built, I got the same quotes. And the timelines are not in days or weeks, it is in months. So basically these business owners do nothing. That's where you come in. With AI website builder like Veo, Framer AI or Dora or Claude Code, you can build a clean, modern, mobile-friendly site in just under 1 hour. Here's the simple process which you can follow. Search plumber near me, dentist near me or gyms near me. Find a website that looks rough. Rebuild it using the existing content. Walk into the owner and say, I rebuilt your website and it's ready to go live today. No contracts, no waiting time, $750 and it's yours. That's it, guys. 3 or 4 deals like this in a week, you're looking at a $9,000 to $12,000 per month. And once you do this, you become their AI person. Which leads us perfectly to the second method, AI strategy consultation. This might be the fastest way to make money with AI if you're starting from zero. Every business owner knows they should be using AI, but they are overwhelmed. There are thousands of tools, endless opinions, and no clear path. Your job is simple. Translate AI into business results. You book a call, you ask questions like what is eating up your time? What task do you hate doing? Where are the things breaking down? Then you come back with 5 to 7 specific AI tools. Exactly how they will use them and what are the results they are going to get out of it. Basically, you will tell them how much time and money these AI tools are going to save them. You're not selling AI, you are just selling clarity. Now talking about the pricing, if you are at a beginner level, you can charge $300 to $500 per audit. And if you're at intermediate level, you can charge $1,500 to $3,000. And after getting some experience, you can approach large companies as well who will be paying anywhere between $5,000 to $20,000. If you're able to come up with one solid recommendation that saves business 10 hours a week, you have already justified your fees. Method 3, AI content studio. Brands are basically starving for content, guys. Photos, videos, ads, social media posts, all the brands want them. And traditional production is slow and very expensive. Now, one person with AI can replace an entire content team. Using tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Runway, Pika, 11 Labs, Nano Banana Pro, Kling, ChatGPT and Claude, you can replace the entire production crew. You can create product photos, lifestyle shots, video ads, voiceovers, social content, or any ad in just one afternoon. Instead of charging per project, you can sell a monthly retainer. For example, you can charge $2,000 a month where the customer will get 100 images and 8 videos. You can keep the turnaround time as 24 to 48 hours. With this, even if you get 3 clients, you can make $6,000 per month. With 5 clients, you can make $10,000 a month. Your cost barely changes and you leverage the explodes. In India, lot of D2C brands are getting launched every day. and all of them need photo shoot and content for their social media. So there is a huge opportunity here, guys. Method number 4, conversational AI for businesses. Here is a painful stat, guys. 30 to 40% of business calls go unanswered. That leads to loss of money every day. With AI voice agents, that problem disappears. Using tools like Bland AI, Vapi, or Retail, you can build systems that answer calls, book appointments, qualify leads, send follow-ups, and never sleep. The demo sells itself. You can call the number, it answers. You can show the demo to the customer and it will sell itself. You call the number, it answers, it books, and it works. You can price it anywhere around $2,000 to $5,000 for setup and a monthly recurring bill of $500 to $2,000. For your customer, if it captures just 3 extra customers a month, it will pay for itself. Method number 5, custom AI training tools for teams. Companies are paying for AI tools and using 10% of what they are capable of. Your role is to unlock that value. Basically, you can run intro workshops, custom workflows, or ongoing AI partnership. Instead of generic prompts, you build custom GPTs, create internal playbooks, and train power users. You can price these workshops at around $500 to $1,500. If it is an intensive workshop, you can charge anywhere between $2,500 to $5,000. And if you're on a retainer, you can charge $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Once you're inside a company, you are their AI expert for everything. Method number 6, AI-powered market research. Traditional market research is slow and expensive. With AI, you can deliver 80% of the value in days. You can analyze competitors, reviews, trends, customer sentiment, and turn it into clear insights, visual reports, and actionable recommendations. I'm not talking about surface level research, guys. I'm talking about deep industry related research. You can charge anywhere between $2,500 to $4,000 per project, and you can even build templates based on industries. Method number 7, the AI automation agency. This is an advanced tier, guys, but also the biggest upside. You replace manual work with systems. Basically, you can set up customer support system, lead qualification system, content repurposing systems. If your automation saves 100 hours per month at $50 per hour, that's $5,000 per month in value. And charging $10,000 for building such systems suddenly feels very cheap. Here's the secret weapon. Document whatever you are learning, newsletters, short form videos, and weekly breakdowns. Basically, you build authority, trust, and audience that converts into your clients. You can also think about monetizing your content with affiliates, sponsorships, and your own products. Your content will become engine behind everything else you do. Now let us talk about how to actually start. I would recommend don't do all of these. Just pick one and follow this. Week 1, learn the tools. Definitely, guys, you have to spend a lot of time learning the skills before you go to the market and sell them. Week 2, find 20 potential clients. And trust me, guys, this is gonna be the most difficult part. Week 3, reach out with an offer. And trust me, you're gonna hear a lot of no's before you hear your first yes. Week 4, deliver perfectly and document it. So basically, you're gonna offer, deliver, document, and repeat. That's how this is gonna work. We are in the biggest shift in the work since the internet, guys. You don't need permission, you don't need credentials, you just need to start. So comment below which method are you going to try first. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.